In this video, I will share with you how to change your MacBook login profile picture. So step one, click on this little profile icon, click on this little Apple icon. From this corner, select System Settings. Then look for users and accounts and groups, users and groups. This is it. And you see the current profiles on your computer. Next to the profile that you want to edit, click on this little eye icon. And here you will see your current profile picture. Click on edit and select a different profile picture that you want from those photos. You can also use emojis. You can use monogram like numbers. You can use the camera to take a picture of you. You can upload photos to Google Photo. So let's look, open photos. Click on imported. Click on import. Locate a photo that you want to use. Click on the review for import. Now, once your photo is added here to photos, you can simply click on photos and you will see the photo added here. You can select it and use it as your profile picture. And you can use those, I think those are old MacBook profile photos. And after that, okay, let's pick one of those keywords of those photos. Let's check the emojis. Okay, nothing interesting here. Let's jump to the styles. Let's pick one, styles. Nothing. Emojis. Pose. Okay, nothing. Okay, let's use this little dog. Click on save. Click on OK. And here automatically you will see your profile picture changed here. On my case, while I don't think the recording will keep recording if I hit or if I lock my screen to check this, but I'm sure of this. If your MacBook login profile picture didn't change, just restart your computer. It will start being used as your new MacBook new login profile picture. And this is how to change your MacBook login profile picture. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.